Yeah, time's one. No, I'm not saying it, but I lost one phone.
It's fine. Over there.
Ew, it's Kanaya. That girl thinks she can talk behind my back. Watch this.
Go ahead.
Why are you talking behind my back?
I can say whatever I want. What are you gonna do about it?
Well, maybe I'll do something about it. Maybe I'll shut you up.
You gonna take that, Kanaya?
Oh!
Scrap!
Oh my god, what just happened here? This is totally not okay, right?
Under Section 265 of the Criminal Code of Canada, a person commits an assault when they apply force intentionally to that other person. In this situation, Kanaya could be charged with assault. Under Section 264.1 of the Criminal Code of Canada, a person commits an offense of uttering a threat when they utter or convey a threat to cause bodily harm to a person. Both of these young people may get charged.
Thank you for telling me your name and address. Now, what happened with you and that other girl?
Well, I don't know. We were just talking and... Do I really have to answer this?
I get so nervous anytime I see the police, like all the time. Especially when they want to talk to me. I don't know what to do, especially when they ask for my full name.
Well, yeah, there are some situations where you must tell the police your name and identifying information. If you are stopped by the police, you should ask the police officer why he or she wants to talk to you. If the police officer believes you have committed an offense but you do not give your name and address, they might feel they have to arrest you to get this information. You should ask the police officer if you are under arrest. If the police ask you questions other than your name, you do not have to answer. If you give an incorrect name, you can be charged with a criminal offense of obstructing justice.
So you mean I have to answer all their questions, like, all the time?
No, aside from your name and address, you have a right to say nothing further to the police. Be careful about providing any information beyond your name, because if you are being investigated for committing a criminal offense, anything you say can be used against you. You should ask the police officer if you are under arrest or if you are free to go. You can be arrested if the police officer believes you have committed an offense.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, we are placing you under arrest on the charge of assault under Section 265 of the Criminal Code.
Where are you gonna take me? I want to talk to my parents. I want to talk to a lawyer.
We're taking you to the station. Please give me your parents' phone number and I will notify them now. When we get to the station, you may speak to a lawyer. You have the right to remain silent. Ma'am, please come with me.
Oh no, this doesn't look too good. What's gonna happen?
The police can do 3 things when they arrest you. 1, let you go there with a notice that tells you when you have to go to court and to get your fingerprints. 2, they can take you to the station to get your photo and fingerprints and release from them. 3, hold you until they take you to court for a bail hearing. The police must inform you of your rights immediately upon arrest. The police must tell you why you are being arrested and that you can get legal advice from a lawyer. Under the Youth Criminal Justice Act, the police must inform your parents that you have been arrested. If you don't know why you are being arrested, you should ask. If the police hold you, you must be brought to the court within 24 hours or as soon as possible. The court will decide whether to release you or to continue to detain you until your trial. As a young person, you should only stay in custody if there is no other plan that will keep the public safe. If the police decide to release you from the station, they will give you a notice that explains the offense you have been charged with, a date and time that you must be in court, and the court's address. The police may ask you to sign a promise, called an undertaking, where you agree to abide by certain conditions before they release you. In this case, Kanaya may be told not to have any contact with Taylor. If Kanaya violated this understanding, she could be charged with a separate criminal offense of failure to comply with an undertaking.
Okay, but what if she doesn't have a lawyer? How will she understand this complicated stuff?
Not everyone has a criminal lawyer that they know, so the police have an obligation to tell you about a free criminal lawyer service called Duty Counsel. Duty Counsel is available to you 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. The police must provide you with a phone number for Duty Counsel and a phone where you can speak to the lawyer in private. When the police ask you if you want to speak with a lawyer, you should always say yes. If you are taken to a police station, the police should take you to a private room so you can call your lawyer or the Duty Counsel. After you are released, you will need information on the next steps. You can always call Justice for Children and Youth to understand what to do in your specific situation.
Thanks for explaining all this to me. I hope everything works out for Kanaya.